This video walks you through how to upload supplier invoices to Xero. Begin from the top menu in Xero and click Purchases. This opens the purchasing area where you can move into your bills. From there, select Bills to pay. You will arrive at the list of bills that are already in progress or waiting for action. Next, click New Bill. A small menu will appear, and from that menu, select Upload Bill. This takes you to the Upload window where Xero can create a draft bill from the invoice file you provide. At this point, add the supplier invoice to the Upload area. You can drag and drop the file directly into the window if it is already open on your desktop, or you can click Select Files and choose the invoice from your computer. Use whichever method fits the way you have the file stored. Once the file has been added, Xero will start processing it. Wait a moment while Xero reads the invoice and creates the bill. The length of this step can vary slightly depending on the file, so just give it a moment to finish. When processing is complete, Xero will generate a draft bill based on the details it was able to pull from the invoice. Open that draft bill and review the information carefully. Check that the supplier is correct first, since that affects how the bill is recorded. Then look at the invoice number, the date on the invoice, and the due date. After that, review the amounts to make sure the totals match the supplier invoice. You will also want to check the account and the tax rate, since these fields control how the bill is posted in Xero. If any information is missing or incorrect, update it before moving on. Sometimes Xero will capture most of the invoice correctly, but leave one field incomplete, or assign a value that needs to be adjusted. Make each correction directly in the draft bill so the record matches the original invoice. Pay close attention to the account and tax rate before continuing, because those are easy to overlook during a quick review. Once everything looks right, choose how you want to save the bill. Click Approve if you want to add the supplier invoice as an approved bill right away, and make it ready for the next stage of your accounts payable process. If you are not ready to finalize it yet, click Save as Draft instead. That keeps the bill in draft status so it can be reviewed again later before approval. Your supplier invoice is now uploaded to Xero as an approved bill or saved draft.